Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to Decenstitch. If you're a new subscriber or returning subscriber, you're welcome. Please kindly like, share, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you. The trouser pattern or sloper used in this video has been explained in my how to make trousers video. Link is in the description box below. Step 1. If you have added seam allowances to your pattern like I did in my trousers video, step 1 is all you need. Don't proceed to step 2. I'm going to place a piece of paper under my pattern to trace out my pocket. I'm going to trace out this part and this part of the pocket. For the straight line, I'm going to trace the tip, the beginning and the other side. I will also trace the side of my trouser. Then trace the waistline area. I'm going to draw out the lines that I traced. This is my waist and this is the side of my trouser. This is my straight grain, and I'm going to cut 2 pieces of this. Now I'm ready to cut it out. I'm going to place another paper under the pattern paper. This time around, I'm going to trace out just this big part of the pocket. I'll trace here and here, then trace the waistline. I'm going to draw out the lines that I traced out. This is my waist, and this is the side of my trousers. This is the straight grain, and I'm going to cut 2 pieces of this. I'm ready to cut it out. These are the pieces I need for my trousers pockets. We're only going to do for the front piece. This is my straight grain, and I'm going to cut 2 pieces of this also. Here I can choose to cut it out because I won't be needing it for my pattern, or I can fold it off because this is a pattern that I'm going to use another time. This is what I need for my front. Step 2. If you like to pattern without adding allowances, this next step is very important. I'm going to add sewing allowances to my pockets, to my pocket pieces. I'm going to place it according to my straight grain, following the straight grain line. Then I'll tape it down so that it doesn't move. I'm going to leave space around it for my seam allowances. On my waist area, I'm going to use 0.5 as my seam allowance. For this curve here, I'm going to use 0.5 inch also. For my side, I'm going to use 1 inch because my trouser sizing allowance is 1 inch. For the opening of the pocket, I'm going to use 0.5 inch. Now I'm going to draw it out. Where the opening of the pocket line stops, I'm going to draw a straight line, a small straight line, and complete the side line. Here I have a 0.5, by the side I have 1 inch. I'm ready to cut it out. For the second part of my trouser piece, of my pocket piece, I'm going to add the 0.5 inch up here at the waist. I'm going to add the 0.5 at the curved line also. Then the side of the pocket piece, I'm going to add 1 inch. Now I'm going to draw it out. I'm ready to cut it out. This is what I'm going to cut for my pocket. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please kindly like, share, comment, subscribe if you're new here, and click the notification bell. Thank you.